Right, we are back with another Mindset 360 training from Salesvision. Step 4, they're flying at you. Steps coming out of the window, step coming out the door, steps coming out the car. Get them done. This step 4 is getting us to review Mark Horvison's story, so that's what I'm going to do. Here we go. Hold on to your hats, kids. So he talks about his excessive drinking and depression at the start. His family was very poor. There was no real income coming through. They were relying on their neighbours for food at times. And he was drinking, excessively to escape his reality that he was in. Fortunate for Mark, he had enough, courage or whatever it might have been at that time to see someone for help. He saw a counsellor, and that's when he had a breakthrough. He came to realise that what was happening is that he was going around in circles. His life was just continuing to end up in the same spot because of the actions that he was taking, spinning the wheels, as they say. He realised that he needed a vision in life or he would be stuck in the same position. In essence, if you can hold it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. So if you can visualise it, and put feeling behind that, and then in the physical world, take action steps towards that, you'll attract it into your reality. Once you have that vision, life's going to test you. You got to be like, you're driving on the car on the highway. This is what Mark's analogy that he uses. The windscreen's going to be up. You're going to get bugs. You're going to get crashed tins, whatever, baked beans, and don't even know what I'm saying. You're going to get mosquitoes. Want to get a pigeon, golf club. Pretty hectic highway, this one. But that windscreen's protecting you from all that crap that just came at you, deflecting it off. So the windscreen is your belief in yourself. How much you believe in what that vision is that you have. And because it's that strong, you just keep punching through, keep driving through it. Bang, water off a duck's back. Mark says faith is a belief not seen. He talks about that. So you got to feel it, you got to speak it, you got to believe in it with all your heart. Feel it, and you will receive it. You have to live your life as already is, as if you've already made it, so that you can manifest it and attract it into your reality. He went on to say that it's important to visualize yourself hitting your goals and do it with feeling. People might think you're crazy, but that vision for you's got to be so real that all that negativity just bounces right off you and you just keep chugging along, blinkers on, and you're going towards your vision. Mentions to write it down, and not only when you're writing it down, put that belief into it and the energy and the feelings behind it. Mark came up with a system to actually help him get through the negativity, and he recorded it so his children could listen to it, and that was called the Solomon CEO, and you can actually get that in diamond. People were coming up to Mark and he was teaching them this system, and he decided that instead of talking to them all the time, he would actually come up with videos and steps and a process behind what he was having conversations with people. After that, he spoke about living from the heart with care and passion. When you're doing that, you're coming from a place of gratitude and you're opening up to receiving. You have to be grateful for what you have firstly before you can receive more. So there's my little take from Mark Horvison's story. I hope you'd enjoyed it. I'm really enjoying these videos and taking the steps that they're giving me within the Salesvision training. That's exactly what we're doing, what he just spoke about, that step-by-step process. So if you're looking to generate leads for your business or start a business or generate some income online, try something new, get on that description in the link below and, you can start the training just like I'm doing, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Peace and love.